Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn on or off friend story in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat. So I'm going to click on here, click on my Snapchat. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top side. And the next thing you need to do is to simply select a particular friend. So come down to my friends right here, click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to select a friend contact. So I'm going to simply select this contact. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the contact name from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to story settings. Then you have it right here. So at this point here, by default, it is already turned on. And for you to turn it on, what you need to do is to simply, the next thing you need to do is to simply click on story notification. And story notification turn on. So each time this contact or friend posts a content on their story, you'll be notified. And if you want to disable it, simply turn it off. It's as simple as that. Basically, this is how to turn on or off friend story in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you